Hey guys, James, Master Instructor at the Ding King Training Institute here in Southern California, and with me I've got Mr. Korey Ferguson, right?
Correct, yeah.
I wanted to make sure I knew that, but I wasn't 100% sure. Now Korey decided to come all the way down to us from Alaska.
Yeah, I'm based out of Eagle River, Alaska, and just started going out on my own back in July and decided that this would be a great opportunity to come down here and learn some stuff from a great institute, and I have not been disappointed at all.
Good, good. What would you say, right off the top of your head, what's the one thing that just kind of stood out to you overall here, just coming into Ding King?
Really is just the ease of instruction. Mm-hmm. No one's here, yelling at you or saying, hey, you're doing it wrong, in a bad way. They're actually making those corrections with you while you're doing it so that you can make sure you're getting overall base knowledge of how you're supposed to push the dents.
I mean, we can very easily yell at you if you would like us to do that.
Well,
Now, you're here, you've been here so far 2 weeks. You've got a windshield repair coming up. We've got dent repair, which we're in the process of right now. What else am I missing?
I'm also doing the paint perfection and the ceramic coating and headlight renewal.
Yes. So 3 more weeks. You're not quite at the halfway point yet, but, so far, how do you feel, comfort-wise as far as paintless dent repair and what you're doing so far?
I think that I know enough so far to get myself in trouble,
yeah.
to be honest.
Yep.
But getting that base knowledge and knowing how to get myself out of situations if I create them, like if I create a high point or something like that, knowing that I can correct that and at least attempt to get it to 90% or better, I think I'm feeling pretty comfortable at this point.
Well, good. You guys, we're here at the halfway point. Like I said with Korey, we've got about 2.5, 3 more weeks to go with him. Make sure you check back with us on our YouTube channel at the Ding King. Check us out on Facebook, The Ding King Training Institute, or give us a call or check us out on the web at thedingking.com or call us at 1-800-304-3464. And Korey and I will see you guys in a couple of weeks.